Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asma. Today I'm gonna share really delicious, quick and easy recipe of Pakistani style chicken macaroni. You can serve it as a snack or side dish. For this you will need 400-gram macaroni, 250 to 200-gram boneless chicken, tomato ketchup 2 tablespoons, a chopped tomato, a chopped onion, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 teaspoon crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon white pepper crushed, oil as required, water for boiling macaroni. Now in a big pan add at least 3-liter water. Add a teaspoon salt and cover lid and wait till water get boiled. Now water is boiled. Add all the 400 grams macaroni in it and stir it with fork. And let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes it is ready. Now drain all the water in drainer. Then open tap water on it and stir macaroni under it. It will keep it from sticking together. Then close the tap. Let macaroni in the drainer so that all water gets drained. Now in this pan make some gravy. Add 4 tablespoons oil in it. It should be cooked on low medium flame. Add a chopped onion in it. Stir a bit. Add a teaspoon salt and let it tender for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, onions are a bit pink. Now add 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Stir it and let it for a minute. Then after a minute, onions are looking like this. Add a chopped tomatoes. Cook it for 4 minutes. Now tomatoes are tender in 4 minutes. Stir it. Now add chicken and fry chicken in this. Now cover its lid and cook it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes chicken is ready. Now I'm gonna add all the boiled macaroni in the chicken and mix it well. After mixing them, we add remaining items in it while gradually mixing it. Now add a teaspoon crushed red pepper, a teaspoon mixed herb, a teaspoon crushed white pepper, and again mix them all together, and in last add 2 tablespoons ketchup and mix it well. Now it is absolutely ready. I am dishing it out. Chicken macaroni in Pakistani style is absolutely ready to serve. If you like this delicious, quick and easy recipe, then click like, comment and let me know about your opinion. Share it with your family, friends and people you care for. Subscribe Asma's Kitchen for more delicious, quick and easy recipes. And thank you so much for watching.